How to cancel Uber One subscription. Uber One keeps on charging you $9.99 every month. So in this video we will show you how to get rid of that. Open any of your Uber apps, that can be Uber Eats or Uber. Here I'll be opening Uber. Now click on accounts on bottom right corner of your screen and then click on Uber One. Now scroll down to bottom and click on manage membership. On the bottom of your screen here you can see in membership, so click on that and select any reason to unsubscribe Uber One. Now click on continue. Again click on continue and then click on end Uber One. This is how you unsubscribe Uber One. By doing this, you will be successfully able to save $9.99 every month. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.